everyone, my name's Kendra with Ray Yoga Videos. Welcome or welcome back. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel with the red subscribe button below. Today we have a start your day with yoga. It's great to do in the morning before you do anything else. Let's get some movement in together. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Everybody start in a cross-legged position. Find something that's comfortable, either the left leg in front of the right or the right leg in front of the left, whatever feels best for you. Place the hands onto the knees. Feel the sit bones grounding on your mat. Begin to lengthen the spine, crown of the head softly lengthens up towards the ceiling. Soften the shoulders, soften the back of the neck. Close your eyes. Now, just because we woke up and this is a morning routine, with the eyes closed, it might feel really, really good because you might still be sleepy. That's completely fine. As best you can, drawing your attention into your body and onto your mat. Soften the belly, begin to breathe deep and full. Place the fingertips on the mat beside the body. Arms are nice and long. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, move nice and slow. Fingertips come to touch. Exhale, turn the palms out, slowly release the arms down. Fingertips touch the mat. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Fingertips touch. Exhale, turn the palms out, release the arms down. Good, keep going with this movement. Start to find the connection with your breath and the movement. Every time you inhale, reach the arms up, lengthen. Exhale, slowly drawing the arms down. You can keep the eyes closed throughout your practice, or you can allow the eyes to open. Again, find what feels best for you. Next time the arms are down, keep the fingertips grounded on the mat. Feel the left fingertips on the mat. Inhale, reach the right arm up overhead. Soften the right top of the shoulder. Right palm facing down towards the mat. As you exhale, curve the torso towards the left. Keep grounding deeply into the right glute. Keep length in the side body. Exhale, ground the right hand onto the mat to meet the left. Slowly walk the hands out in front of you. With a nice long spine, inhale. Exhale, take the torso, fold it over the legs. Ground the palms onto the mat or the forearms wherever you are, breathing deeply. Grounding into the palms, inhale, lengthen the torso all the way back through center. Whatever leg is forward, switch the legs, crossing them once again. Take the fingertips back out beside you and the arms. Good. Grounding the right fingertips onto the mat. Inhale, lift the left arm up overhead. Soften the top of the left shoulder. Left palm facing down towards the mat. Exhale, curving the torso towards the right. You can ground the right palm onto the mat. Exhale, release the left hand onto the mat beside the right hand. Slowly walk the hands out in front of you. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, take the torso over the legs, ground the palms, or release down onto the forearms. Inhale, come back through center. Perfect. Uncross the legs. Take them straight out in front of you. Shake them out. Sometimes it's really hard sitting like that in a cross-legged position. Take the hands out behind you. Ground the palms or the fingertips onto the mat. Bend the knees, ground the feet. Take the feet a little bit wider than hip-width apart. Exhale, release the knees down towards the right. Inhale, knees back through center. Exhale, release the knees down towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, opposite way. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Awesome. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, back to center. Slowly come onto your hands and knees into the tabletop position. Knees are hip-width apart, stacked underneath the hips. Ground the palms onto the mat, stacked underneath the shoulders. Neutral pelvis. Draw the navel in. Feel all 10 fingers grounding on the mat. Exhale, tuck the sit bones, round your spine, and move the chin down towards the chest. This is your cat tilts. Inhale, sit bones rise, belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward into your cow tilt. Exhale, rounding back. Inhale, lengthen. Belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, neutral spine. Ground into the left hand. Inhale, reach the right arm up towards the ceiling. Open up the chest. Exhale, ground the right hand onto the mat. Inhale, allow the sit bones to rise. Belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, tuck the pelvis, round the spine, move the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, back to neutral. Grounding into the right hand. Inhale, lift the left arm up towards the ceiling, twisting, open up the chest. Exhale, ground the left hand onto the mat. Inhale, sit bones rise, belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, rounding into your cat tilt. Inhale, neutral. Ground into the left hand. Inhale, carry the right arm up towards the ceiling, open up the chest. The movement is coming from the twisting spine. Exhale, ground the right hand. Inhale, sit bones rise, belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, back to neutral. Ground into the right hand. Inhale, take the left arm up towards the ceiling, twisting. Exhale, ground the left hand. Pausing in neutral. Good. Take the right foot and step it in between the hands. Right knee bent, stacked on top of the right ankle. Ground deeply into the right foot, big toe, baby toe, heel. Place the hands on top of the right thigh. Inhale, carry the torso all the way up. Awesome. Use the hands to ground into the right thigh, lengthen the spine. Take the arms up overhead. Palms are turned in to face one another. Hips level, drawing the navel in. Imagine that you're lifting up and out of the waist with the torso. You could stay right here or tuck the toes of the left foot. Keep grounding into the feet. Inhale, lift the left knee off of the mat. Couple breaths here, pressing back through the left heel if you're all the way up. Keep bending into the right knee. Exhale, release the arms down towards your torso. Keep the legs where they are. Interlace the fingers behind your back. Arms are straight. Roll the shoulders out and down. Move the arms away from the low back. They may not go very far. Maybe they stay right towards the sacrum. That's okay. Find what feels best for you. Open up the chest. Maybe you take the gaze to look up towards the ceiling. Challenge your balance. Exhale, release the arms. Good. If the left knee is lifted off the mat, nice and slow, release the left knee all the way down onto the mat. Untuck the toes of the left foot, ground the hands onto the mat, heel toe the right foot towards the right, and release the right knee all the way back towards the left. Open up the knees as wide as your mat, big toes touch out behind you. Take the hands towards the top of the mat. Exhale, press the sit bones back towards the heels. Forehead rests on the floor. If the forehead doesn't rest on the floor, feel free to use a pillow underneath the forehead, a blanket, or a block if you have one. Keep extending the arms forward, grounding into the palms. Take 3 deep, full breaths here. Inhale, come back up onto the hands and knees. Take the palms underneath the shoulders, knees come back to hip width apart. When you're ready, step the left foot forward in between the hands. Left knee stacked on top of the left ankle, ground deeply into the left big toe, baby toe, heel. Inhale, gather your strength, carry the torso all the way up. Take the hands on top of the left thigh, press the hands into the thigh, lengthen the spine. Crown of the head lifting up towards the ceiling, draw the navel in. Slight core engagement here, supporting the spine. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead and lengthen. Find your balance, focus your gaze. You could stay right here or tuck the toes of the right foot. Inhale, lift the right knee off of the mat. Keep the left knee bent, pressing back through the right heel. Hips are level. Exhale, release the arms down towards your torso. Interlace the fingers behind your back. Good, straightening the arms. Maybe you stay right here, or inhale, begin to move the arms away from the low back. Opening up the chest, you could even take the gaze to look up towards the ceiling. Breathe deeply. Exhale, release the arms. Unclasp the fingers. If the right knee is lifted off of the mat, nice and slow, exhale, release the right knee all the way down. Untuck the toes, ground the hands onto the mat. Good. Retuck the toes of the right foot. Lift the right knee off of the mat. Step the right foot forward to meet the left. Take a second in a forward fold. Torso lengthens over the legs. Place the hands onto the hips, ground into the feet with a nice long spine. Inhale, slowly come up into standing. Keep the feet hip width apart. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, twisting with the torso towards the right. Release the arms down towards the mat. Turn the palms down. Left arm is forward, right arm is back. Inhale, turn back through center. Reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards the left. Take the right arm forward, left arm back. Palms turn down towards the mat. Inhale, back up through center. Reach the arms up. Exhale, twisting towards the right, arms go down, left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale, back through center, arms come up. Exhale, twisting towards the right, release the right arm forward, left arm back. Inhale, arms come back through center, reach up. Exhale, slowly release the arms down, take the palms together in front of the chest. Close the eyes for a second. Finding gratitude for your body and for all the movements that your body just did this morning. Give a big thank you. And I hope that you're ready to take on the day now. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video.